Say hi, Carly.
Hi, Carly.
Are you saying hi? Are you talking to us?
Yeah.
Should we turn this off so we can actually hear you? Hi.
Hi. Do you want to get Sissy?
You gonna kick it?
I want to see Sissy.
Hold on, I'm recording the video.
Hi.
Hi, Cammie.
Hi, what are you doing?
Can you move, please? We gotta get a good video of her. Watch out.
Can I see?
Say hi, big girl.
Hi, big girl.
Give us a smile. Tickle her so she'll smile. I don't think she likes to be tickled. Do you like being tickled? Okay, say bye. Give us a wave. Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.